funny, I still like vividly remember my first tour, and after the tour, it was such a great experience that me and my buddies that we all went together on the tour with, we were in the bathroom and we made a pact that like, this is the school we're coming to. So, and now we're set to walk the stage 4 years later, so that's really cool. I've known that I've wanted to be an English teacher since like 5th grade. I really liked Fisher's program because the ability to get into the school so early on, starting your sophomore year. So having that in-field experience, actually teaching lessons, actually learning these classroom management skills, and actually building these relationships with the students so early. I did a lot of music in high school, so one of the big things that really sold me on Fisher as well was the opportunity to continue my passion for music. So like my first year here at Fisher, I did the musical, which was the Addams Family, and I actually got the lead in the show, which was really cool. My work with admissions, being a tour guide, showing my passion for the school, it helped me move up into the open house coordinator position. When I was first applying for the job as a student ambassador, before my interview, I talked to my dad. I told him how excited I was for this opportunity, and he told me, he's like, you got to tell them that you're not going to be a tour guide, you're going to be a cast member. You want to treat it like it's Disney World, and you want to give people an experience. So when I go on tours, I truly treat it like an experience. I give an individualized tour to everyone that comes. Everyone gets a different experience. I want to tailor it towards them because I really want them to see that they can spend time here at Fisher and make that experience their own. I've had the awesome opportunity to create short films, participate in creative writing, making lesson plans about topics that I'm passionate about to kind of fulfill a lot of my classroom needs. So I really want to push people to go out of their comfort zone, find something that really speaks to them, and use that for their basis of their studies.